define mod log x. Mod log x is equal to log x whenever x is greater than 1 and is equal to minus log x whenever x lies between 0 and 1. If we try to draw the graph of mod log x, mod log x graph look like this. This is the 1 and this is x-axis and this is y-axis. According to that only we will split this integral. This integral becomes 1 by e to 1 minus log x into dx by x square plus other part will be 1 to e log x into dx by x square. Now let us evaluate both the integrals. So why we have broken this? Because 1 by e to e mod log x will become minus log x and 1 by 1 to e mod log x is equal to log x. Now integral 1 by e to e minus we take out 1 log x by x square dx plus integral 1 to e log x by x square dx. If we evaluate one, other one will be in a opposite sign. So what happens in this case? We use the product rule. Minus is outside, 1 by e to 1. Log x is the first function into integral of second function 1 by x square dx minus integral box open d by dx of log x and integral of 1 by x square dx box close dx. Similarly, in this case also 1 to e log x into integral of dx by x square minus box open d by dx of log x into integral of dx by x square box close dx. So when we evaluate it, we get minus 1 by e to 1. This will give you log x by x with minus sign minus integral 1 by x into minus 1 by x dx plus this will give you again log x into minus 1 by x minus integral 1 by x into minus 1 by x dx. Of course, we have to put limits from 1 to e. So finally what we get it is, this is nothing but 1 by e to 1 log x by x plus 1 by x and this will give you minus times 1 to e log x by x plus 1 by x. Okay, if we substitute the values, upper limit and lower limit, so finally we get 1 plus e minus e minus 1 by e plus 1 by e minus 1. So finally we get 2 times of 1 minus 1 by e. That is the final. So most important concept was the concept of mod log x. Mod log x is positive whenever x is greater than or equal to 0. Mod log x is negative when x lies between 0 and 1 because domain of log x is greater than 0. What is the domain? Domain is x is greater than 0. Domain of log base x. This is the domain. So domain is x is greater than 0. So what happens? Mod log x equal to log x when x is greater than 0 and this is minus log x when x lies between. You can put equal to sign here.